Are you desperate for some cocktail sauce, but you have no horseradish in the house? Let me show you my hack for making it without it. To a bowl, add half a cup, 136 grams of your favorite ketchup. Then add in 2 teaspoons, 4 grams of chili powder. You can use less or even omit the chili powder if you don't want it too spicy. You could add some smoked paprika in its place just to boost the flavor. 1 teaspoon, 2 grams of garlic powder. That helps to give it the zing that you're missing with the horseradish. 1 teaspoon, 5 grams of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon, 5 grams of Worcestershire sauce. 3/4 teaspoons or 3 grams of hot sauce, or as much or as little as you like. And my secret ingredient, half a teaspoon, about 2 grams of apple cider vinegar, and give that a whisk together. You can season it with salt and pepper if you like, but I don't think it needs any additional seasonings. This is perfect to use straight away, but if you really want those flavors to come together, let it rest in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. You can store this in a covered container in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. If you found this video useful, I'd love if you hit the like button, and while you're there, be sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss any recipes, and I come out with a new one every week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.